Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, sir?
How are you, sir? Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Good morning, sir.
Sir,
Venkatramesh, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
how are you, sir?
Good morning,
Good morning, sir.
everybody. Switch on video. Ahmad, Nikita, Rahul,
Ma'am.
Pavan, switch on video.
Sir. English, sir. Sir, my video audible to you.
Karthik, Dam, Dam. Okay. Right. Now I told you. Who is that character? 1, 2, 3. Who is that boy?
Mowgli.
Mowgli, sir.
Mowgli.
Sir, Mowgli and her friend Wolf. Voice is breaking, sir. Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Now you can hear my voice properly, right? Now you can see 2 wolves. Yeah? 2 wolves. That is singular wolf, plural wolves. Right? Now there the one boy sat between 2 wolves. My God, will the wolf eat that boy? No. You know the story. Wolf take care about the boy. Yes, the boy brought by wolves. The story very well. You have seen cartoons, I know. Right? So today, which lesson we are going to discuss? Which lesson we are going to discuss? Yeah, from textbook, page number 25. I know. Yes. It's a very interesting story. My favorite. Yeah, Kirtan.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can I say what is lesson name, sir?
Yes, you can say.
Mowgli and her friends, sir.
Mowgli and his friends.
Sir.
Yes, yes, yes. He finds his family. Yeah, he's finding.
Mowgli friends his family.
Mowgli finding his family. Finding means searching. Yeah.
Finding means he's
Yes.
searching for her family.
Yes.
Sir, your
A little boy finding his family. That means he was missing. Yeah. Was missing family. Right? Today We are going to see about Mowgli and his family. You want to see Mowgli? Yeah, yeah, be ready. I show you Mowgli. But many are not in attention position.
Sir,
Yeah,
your voice is breaking, sir.
my voice is breaking.
Yes.
You have signal. Otherwise, I may have problem. Okay, now this is time. This is time to watch a video about Mowgli. I show you. I show you Mowgli.
A story for a Mowgli.
La, 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 la.
Audio is visible in screen sharing.
2, 3, go.
Anu,
You've had a not so good day.
Mowgli.
You forget, just hum a song. I'll drum along. The people and your need to fret.
Manu, come. I'm singing.
If you see something that scares you, like a spider crawling near, no worries on. I'll hold your paw. My jungle tune will ease your fear. Life is good, life is fine. See the bunga bunga, and the sun will shine. That's enough.
Sher Khan.
Okay, you enjoyed a lot, I know. Yes, beautiful video, right? Yes, Mowgli brought the 5 animals. Yeah, then tell me why did he that where was mother?
Sher Khan.
It was father. Why did he in the jungle? Well, but
From his baby. From Sir.
yeah,
Sir, Mowgli's baby, sir.
Mowgli is where.
That's
I'm asking where
before.
parents. Where are the parents?
Hmm?
Yeah, that means something in draft switch on video. Divya Sai Ganesh switch on video fast. Priyavarshini. Yeah. So now we are going to listen Mowgli finds his story. What happened to him? Why did he go to the jungle? Right? Now, shall we start today lesson? If you have textbooks, open textbook page number 25. Today we have to complete two pages, 25 and 26. Are you ready? Yeah. Now I show you screenshot. Easily you can word to word. One day, wolves are sleeping. They listened a sound. They listened. Before I said children, soft G, hard G. Soft G, G. Sometimes G pronounce G. Sometimes G pronounce Ja. Ja, Ga. Right? So once again, in this lesson, you can see blue color words, blue color letter. Okay, observe the sound. G sound or sound. Now, check this. La 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 la. La 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 la. Look at pre-reading.
What comes to your mind? Howling.
Yes, yes, somebody touching mobile. Who are touching?
Yes.
Now, it's not good. Don't touch mobile, children. Now, I say one word. Wolf pack. Wolf pack. What is meaning? Wolf pack. Pack. You know books. Pack of books. Cards. Pack of cards. Set of books. Now, wolf pack. What is meaning? Wolf. What is meaning wolf pack? Then you know, look at first line, pre-reading, first paragraph, discussed in class. What comes to your mind when you hear the words wolf pack? Two answers are there. Select one. A gang of dangerous, out to hunt down anything in sight. One is a gang of dangerous howling animals. Howling means this is a howling. What is meaning wolf pack? A gang of dangerous, or second line, or a gang of wild wolves working and playing together. Working and playing together. Think of their young ones. Looking their young ones. What is your opinion? What is your opinion? Why do you think so? Tell me answer. What will say answer? What is fact? What is wolf pack? Can you say? Switch on video. Yeah.
That a gang of wolves is called a wolf pack, sir.
A gang of dangerous howling animals.
Out to hunt down anything in silent.
Right.
Saying, or a gang of wild wolves working and playing together and looking after their young ones.
See, Okay, it's a name. It is a collective noun. It is a noun. Wolf pack, group of wolves, right? Actually, wolves makes howling. King, dog, wolf, howling. Wolf, howling, dangerous, dangerous. But you are going to see this one. It, take care, protect a human baby. Not only to dress and a good caretakers. Now we are going to see this one in the story of Mowgli find his family. Right? Vinila, what is and me? Okay. Now, children, everybody in the online class follow each word to word and observe blue color word sound, blue color letter sound. Okay, G or Ga. Right now, look at wolves are sleeping. Suddenly one wolf listened, heard a sound. Now it is saying, something is coming uphill, said Mother Wolf. Mother Wolf saying, something is coming uphill. Get ready. Get ready. Here see G, get. Ga sound. Get ready. Hard G. Next line, the bushes outside the cave rustle. Some sound coming, that is a soft sound. Rustle means, you can see in the meaning, look at downside, one box is there. Rustle meaning made a soft cracking sound. Made a soft cracking sound. Cracking sound. That is the like cracking, something breaking. Okay. So mother wolf heard a rustle, soft sound. Next line, and father wolf got ready to jump. Got ready, G-O-T, got, hot G. Ready to jump, J-U-M-P, jump, red color, jump. It is a ja sound, jump, ja. Okay. So now father wolf got ready, got ready to jump. Second line, he jumped before he saw what was in the bush. You know bush? Bush means a small plants which is very close. Close. Close the దగ్గరగా ఉండే plants అన్నమాట. Okay, not individual, close, not one plant, many small plants gather, grows together. కలిసి పెరుగుతాయి. Now father wolf saw what in third line, and then tried to stop himself. What did they see? Man. Father wolf, mother wolf saw something in the bush. What is there? Man. Suddenly he saw, right? He snapped. A man's cub. Look at father wolf saying, man, a man's cub. Cub means baby. Cub means baby. A man's cub, love, right? So what is meaning snapped? S-N-A-P-P-E-D, snapped. Once again, look this box. Snapped, said something very quickly. Said something very quickly. Snap, right? So when see this boy or man's cub, the wolf, father wolf said, man's cub. Oh my God! In the wild forest, in the wild forest, how is it possible? A small baby is crawling on the ground, right? So that day, mother and father wolves noticed a boy, a baby, right? Now, next paragraph following. Directly at the edge. Look at children. D G E makes ja sound. Ja, edge, edge, edge. Ja sound. Okay. D G E makes ja sound. Directly at the edge of the cave stood a naked brown baby. There is a naked. Naked means without any clothes. Without any clothes is naked. There is a baby without dress, without clothes. He stood. Stood means standing, right? Stood a naked brown baby, full stop. He was, second line, he was just old enough to walk. Old enough to walk. He is not more than 5 years. Yes, very engaged. Okay, just 1, 2 years or 2.5 years, like that. Okay. He looked up at Father Wolf's face and laughed. Laughed. See, the boy looking at Father Wolf and started laughing. Oh my God, see this boy, see this baby laughing at cruel, dangerous wolf. You know, wolf eats everything. Yeah, mainly small ones, rabbit, yeah, and chickens, right? And sometimes, hey, now, now this bird doesn't have any fear, looking at and started to laughing, like laughing. Now next paragraph. Is that the question? Look at. Start with is. Ah, yes. Is that a man's cub? Question mark. Said Mother Wolf. I have never seen one. Bring it inside the cave. Bring it inside the cave. Mother Wolf asking a question. Is that a man's cub? Oh my God. It's a surprise. I have never seen. I have never seen. Bring it inside the cave. Bring it inside the cave. Say, baby boy, cave Loki's company. Mother is requesting father wolf. Yeah. Are you following, children? So now father wolf is going to pick the baby. Okay. Now what will happen next? See. Okay, who has turned off video? Switch on video, everybody. You will get option. Right. Now line. Next paragraph I show you. Right. La, 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 la. Now the boy in the line. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, Karthik. Karthik, tell me,
Yes, sir.
why did you raise hand?
Sir, I will set the next paragraph, sir.
You
I
want,
said next paragraph, sir.
you want to read?
Yes, sir. Paragraph.
Okay, actually, children, we have 10 minutes time. 10:40, I come. Don't leave class until 10:45. Okay.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
we must complete this entire page today. See how many paragraphs are there, right? So read fast. Yeah, next paragraph.
Sir, can I read?
Karthik already asked. Karthik, start.
After I can read. How little, how naked, and how who how bold, said Mother Wolf softly. The baby was pushing his way between the cubs to get close to the warm hide. Aha! He is talking his meal with the others. Suddenly,
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. One paragraph only. Look.
the
Yes, Mother Wood said three words. One is how little. Oh, knack. That is a knack. K-E-D-N-E-T-E sound to pronounce చేయాలి. How knack. How knack. And how bold. Bold means daring. What? This baby, okay, this baby doesn't have clothes. Oh, how little also. Mother wolf god said softly. Okay, and next the baby was his way. The cubs, there are cubs means wolves, babies also are there. Yeah, pushing his way, that means crawling the cubs to get close warm inside. He's taking his meal with others. Now he start eating. The boy start the boy starting eating. There are two baby wolves also. Yeah, it's a wonderful scene. That day, the baby joined with the animals. Yeah, and mother wolves didn't hurt anything. Okay, next paragraph. Yeah, Sagar, next.
Suddenly the moonlight was blocked out of the mouth of the cave. For sheer current hugged square head and shoulders when thrust into the entrance.
My God. Look at, look at.
Sir, sir, that is your hug. Sagar said the hug.
Okay, huge. That is huge. Don't worry, I explain. Look at, look at. This is night time. Yeah, moon in the sky. Moonshine. Moonshine. So this is only bulb with the wild. Yeah, we have many bulbs in the room. When you switch on, you will get brightness. But in the wild, moon only bulb. Suddenly the moonlight was blocked. Moonlight was blocked. Why? Out of the cave, the mouth of the cave means entrance. Entrance. No, no moon shining. No moonlighting. What happened? What happened?
Of the cave was blocked.
He, Shere Khan. Who came?
Shere Khan.
You know, tigers or lions have much of smelling power. Yes, something is there. Sher Khan understood. Look at second line. For Sher Khan's huge, Huge. Here, pronounce ja sound. Ja. Huge. Huge means very big, very big. Okay, na? Big, huge. Big,
Tom.
huge means very big. For Sher Khan's huge bare head and her shoulders were thrust into the hands. Understood? Villain entered. Villain entered. The big head, big shoulder, entered into the cave, looking inside. How big his face? How big his face? Look at next line. Sher Khan's. Look at Khan's. Oh, no, just wait, children. Look at. Sher Khan does us great honor, said Father Wolf, but his eyes were very angry. What does Sher Khan need? Oh my God. Sher, his eyes were very angry. Look at the sentence. Eyes, eyes were very angry. Yeah, what does Sher Khan need? Now Father Wolf saying, oh my God, look at tiger face, Sher Khan face, very angry. What he was searching in our cave? What he was searching in our room? Now Sher Khan saying, look at next line. A man's cub went this way. A man's cub went this way, said Sher Khan. Give it to me. Give it to me. I have seen one man, baby. Give that. Give that. I want to eat it. నేను ఒక బేబీని చూశాను ఈ వేరేనే వచ్చింది నాకు ఇవ్వండి గివ్ ఇట్ Tiger asking, you know why tiger asking? For eating. Yes. Now next one. What happened? Father Wolf knew K-N-E-W, K silent. N-E-W, knew. Right? Father Wolf knew that the mouth of the cave was too narrow. And see, mouth of the cave was too narrow. That means entrance very narrow, no space. Okay, small entrance. Okay, na? So Father Wolf knew that the mouth of the cave was too narrow for a tiger to come in, and knew they were not in immediate danger. Danger, red color, G. Here, ja sound, danger. Here, Father Wolf understood there is no wide space to enter inside. Tiger cannot enter in the cave because it is narrow. చాలా చిన్న ఎంట్రన్స్ అన్నమాట. So they are not in danger. Present wolves, the boy were not in danger. Next line. The wolves are a free people, said Father Wolf. They take orders from the head of the pack. You know, head of the pack means leader. Wolves have one leader. They take orders, they give orders. Yeah, and not from any street cattle killer. The man's cub is ours to kill if we choose. The father would saying, a Sher Khan, we have, we have a head. Yeah, we have rights. We have rights to kill this boy, to protect this boy. You don't have. The baby cub, the man's cub is ours. The man's cub is our baby Made. We have right to kill. We have right to protect. Go back. The wolf saying barely. Next paragraph. Do you know who you are talking to? It is I, Sher Khan. Give the man's cub to me now. The tiger's roars filled the cave with thunder. Mother wolf jumped forward. Her eyes were like two green moons in the darkness. Yeah, immediately Sher Khan started shouting, roaring. Yeah, it is roaring. What? Don't you give? How dare? Do you know who you are talking to? ఎవరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నావు తెలుసా? It is I, Sher Khan. Give the man's cub. Ani Sher Khan roaring. Roaring means shouting. But the mother wolf jumped forward. Jumped forward means came before and said, how like said, next paragraph. And it is I, Raksha. Mother wolf saying, it is I, Raksha. Who answers? The man's cub is mine. He shall not be killed. He shall live to run with the pack and to hunt with the pack. Mother wolf saying dearly, what saying? The man's cub is mine, a baby Madi. He shall not be killed. A Sher Khan, you should not kill. Go away. The baby shall live to run with the pack. A baby మాతోనే మా పిల్లలతోనే పెరుగుతుంది. You don't touch. You don't kill the boy. Get out from my cave. అని చాలా డేర్గా చెప్పింది. What is the name of mother? And it is I, Raksha. చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ గా చెప్పింది అనమాట. ఓకేనమ్మా? సో లాస్ట్ 3 paragraphs after I close. Don't leave the group. Next one. Sher Khan saw her blazing eyes and realized she would fight to death. So he backed out of the cave mouth, growling. Grow here, grow, G-R-O, grow, gasam, growling. And when he was clear, he shouted, you think the cub will stay safe here? We will see what the pack will say to this fostering of man's cub. The cub is mine, you thieves. The tiger understood the angriness of mother wolf and realized and stopped fighting, and he stepped outside, but he said, I see. How many days will protect this baby? You think the baby will stay safe here? No. Wait and see. Let me ఈ బేబీని మీరు ఎలా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తారో నేను చూస్తా. I will see how many days will you protect. I come again. I chase the baby cow. The tiger return back. Now what will happen? We will discuss next class. Okay. Now I show you two homeworks. Take screenshot. Write in your book. If you have sadhana work books, directly write. No sadhana work book, write in a book. This is from sadhana work book. Take screenshot fast after I close. This is new words. Look this. Sadhana work book. Mowgli find his family. Word web. See and write these words in the space. Rustle, entrance, honor, narrow. Take screenshot. See and write. See and write. No book means see and write. Rustle, entrance, honor, narrow. Take screenshot. Okay, next picture. If you have a textbook, don't write, okay na? Write in textbook only directly. Next one. Thunder, poster, enough. Up to 5, okay. Children, don't write all, up to thunder and poster. Enough. Okay na? Only 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 enough. Okay. And prepare meanings also. Okay, here only complete that one and take this screenshot. Conjugation of verbs, present tense, past tense, past participle words. Read out. Tried, tried. Stand, stood. Become, became, become. Choose, chose, chosen. Stay, stayed. Speak, spoke, spoken. Keep, kept. Teach, taught. Fur. Cry, cried. These practice, children. Try to write without seeing. Take screenshot. Now I am going to end the session. Take screenshot. Present tense, past tense, past participle. Okay. We will meet in next English period. Bye to your friends. Say bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, friends.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Have a nice day,
Sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Our 20 section.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
అయిపోతుంది. Bye, sir.
Sagar,
Sir, is the lesson name?
open.
Sir. అందులో ఉంది lesson name. Sir.